Hi, this is Phil with Castle. So we get a lot of customers that are trying to decide between the Castle TSM-12 benchtop pocket machine and our TSM22 floor model. So if you end up pocketing a lot of panels, especially wider ones, then this video is for you. Let's take a look. So we're going to demonstrate cutting pockets with the TSM-12 and the TSM-22 low angle pocket machines. We're going to cut 4 pockets on the edge of a 24-inch wide panel, a 30-inch wide panel, and finally a 36-inch wide panel. Here's the 24-inch wide panel. Here's our third, and then our final pocket in the 24-inch panel. I'm going to move on to the 30-inch panel. You'll notice that I'll have to stretch just a bit more to cut the pockets. When I move to the 36-inch panel, I do have to move to the side to actually cut the panels. One thing I do want to state is that this workbench that the TSM-12 is sitting on has a height of 29 inches. That puts the machine work deck at 41 inches. A work deck closer to 36 inches is much more comfortable and efficient. We get a lot of customers that inset their TSM-12s into a workbench due to this, plus they get the added benefits of extra work support to the left and right of the machine. And now on to the TSM22. So again, we're going to start pocketing the 24-inch panel, move to the 30 and 36-inch panels just like we did with the TSM-12. Since the TSM-22 is automated with the simple tap of a foot pedal, you can see how efficient and easy the pocketing process is. Move to the 30 and 36-inch panels. You'll notice that I'm going to move the foot pedal out towards me to make the process more comfortable. As I mentioned earlier, 36 inches is a good working height for the work deck, and that's exactly where the TSM-22 work deck is. So while the TSM-12 is more than capable of cutting low angle pockets and wider panels, if your products require pocketing wider panels on a regular basis, make sure you take a good look at the TSM-22 pocket machine to increase your efficiency and user comfort. Here's the last few pockets on the 36-inch panel. Ultimately, even panels wider than 36 inches are easily accomplished on the TSM-22. So I hope this video helps you out with your decision between the TSM-12 and the TSM-22 pocket cutting machines. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us at castleusa.com for further information. Also check out the other videos on these machines that we have on this channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.